Traders, you have everything to be happy for. OKLO paid you big. Well, we have SMR. It has the same consolidation, and nuclear is what it is. Amazon is going to take a pass at them. We don't want to buy the highs. We already have a big one working, but we are going to buy pullbacks. So when we pull back, we know how to buy it, and we will buy the pullback. It will be as stronger as OKLO. We have that one, and we featured that one a long time ago. This one has all of the characteristics on how to buy the pullbacks on SMR. I can only stress this enough. We know how to do it. We know what we're doing. OKLO is a perfect example. Please don't miss out on this one. I can tell you, join us, fill out an email. This is going on buy now, pay later. So if you didn't get the other one, you can certainly get this one on the pullback. I will give the entries on the pullbacks, and then you can get invested with SMR, another home run. When they pull back, we buy. On this one, we buy the pullbacks. Let me be very clear about that. It is a home run.